St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
SDM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Good evening viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangalore. This is your host Priya V. Now let's take a look at the headlines.
Sangam 2014 held in St. Aloysius College. Exolsava 2014 organized in SDM Law College. Inauguration of new academic building along with the graduation day celebrated in St. Aloysius Institute of Education. Zero gravity performed bike stunts in St. Aloysius College.
Sangam 2014 held by the PG department of St. Aloysius College was held in a vibrant and colorful manner. Let's have a look.
ಸಂಗಮ್ 2014 ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಮನೋರಂಜನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಪದವಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರ್ಪಡಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಸಂಗಮ್ 2014 ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಸಂತ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಜೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವುದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಗಮ. ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಹಾಕಿ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
I wish the very best to Sangam 2014. May this be a time to bring out all the rich energy that you have.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲ ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ವಿಬರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್ಜೆ, ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಮೇಡಾ ಎಸ್ಜೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರು, ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಹುಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡ ಮಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಬೆಟ್ಟಿದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಂಡ ಮೆಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇದು ವಿಧಿಯೋಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ, ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇದು ಅಲೆದಾಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ.
There is a spirit who brings a fire, ignite the candle and makes it whole. ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೈವಿಧ್ಯ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ಸಾಹತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಿದರು ಹಾಗೂ ಉನ್ನತ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾಮನ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಖಾನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಪೂಜಶ್ರೀ ಡಿಎಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yakshotsava was conducted in SDM Law College. Yakshagana attracted the attention of the audience. Campus Eye brings in more details.
The intercollegiate Yakshagana competition was held on Monday, February 24th at STM College Auditorium. Students from various colleges displayed their skill in Yakshagana. Artist Nellikette Narayana Hasyagar and the Yakshagana teacher Sridhar Aithal, Niduraje Shankaranarayana Bhatt were the chief guests. Yakshagana coordinator Bujabali presided over the function. The Yakshosava has boosted the hopes of students and organizers further in retaining and promoting the interest of youth towards Yakshagana.
St. Aloysius Institute of Education held its graduation ceremony for the batch of 2012-2013 and the inauguration of their new academic building. Let's have a look.
A chance to shine and go into the world as role models. With these words, St. Aloysius Institute of Education held its graduation ceremony. Campus Eye brings you the details. With a melodious prayer song and a graceful welcome dance, St. Aloysius Institute of Education celebrated its graduation ceremony for the batch of 2012 to 2013, along with the inauguration of the new academic building. The program welcomed honorary dignitaries Reverend Father Sweber de Silva S.J., President of the function, and Reverend Father Cyril de Mello S.J., Director of St. Aloysius Institute of Education, and Chief Guest Mr. Chaluva Raju B., Police Inspector Bendur, Mangalore. The program began with the blessing of the academic building by Reverend Father Francis D. Almeida S.J. and Reverend Father Cyril de Mello S.J. Mrs. Frita Vegas encouraged the graduating teachers by advising them to march forward and reach for their dreams, and that nothing is impossible. The graduating teachers received their diplomas from Chief Guest Mr. Chaluva Raju B. Oath-taking ceremony was presided over by Reverend Father Sweber de Silva S.J., President of the function. As the batch of 2012 to 2013 graduated with their heads held high, their passion for learning still carried on.
On this day, we are awarding 61 students their graduation. We have Father Sweber de Silva from the Aloysius Degree College as the president for this program.
It was not the end but the beginning of a whole new journey for the graduating batch of 2012 to 2013. This is Maxi Fernandez with cameraman Harmat Khan signing off.
As a part of Media Manthan 2014 Advent, the bike stunt team Zero Gravity held their performance at St. Aloysius College. Campus I brings in more details.
The bike stunt team Zero Gravity enthralled the spectators at St. Aloysius College campus on February 23rd as a part of Media Manthan hosted by Department of MCMS. The sound of revving engines and pumping music thrilled the crowd. And the riders drew up gaps as they performed stunts including rear wheel and front wheel wheelies, 360-degree turns with no hands and other acrobatics.
It's not time to be silent now!
The stunt bikers of the team were Suhas Shetty, Joel Fernandez, Gypsy Kushalappa, Sodan Shetty and Anil. The best part of the group is that they perform all the stunts with a priority being safety first. Maximum safety is observed in all their stunts.
I told you, nothing is going to stop them. And this is a great show. This is a great one. Nothing is going to stop this flow. Very nice, very nice. And look at that.
That's all for this week's Campus I. We'll see you next time. This is Priyavi signing off.
St. Aloysius College is growing leaps and bounds in the field of education.
STM Law College recently conducted.
Scores of students were enrolled at St. Agnes College.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.